Good morning, everybody.
Howdy!
We are so excited. You have been hearing me hint at this and go on and on about this for a couple of weeks now. We are ready to show you something that is going to be an absolute game changer. If you're a professional chef or just a great cook at home, or if you're a hunter,
Homesteader.
if you're a homesteader and you raise your own meat, guys, this is what you need in your kitchen.
This is awesome!
This is the 32 commercial electric meat grinder. We are so excited about it. Okay, so we're going to start off by showing you all the amazing features of this 32 commercial electric meat grinder.
So what we have here is a 1.5 horsepower. 1.5 horsepower
Whoa, Nelly.
motor in this bad boy. This thing will do up to 880 pounds of meat per hour.
Yeah.
That's per hour. This thing is robust.
It's heavy duty, guys. It weighs about 70 pounds because it's all steel construction. There's no plastic in here.
I mean, the tray on this is huge, and it weighs a good probably 5 pounds.
Let's start out by talking about some of the great features on this. We have a variety of the meat grinding discs. I'm going to show you just for example. Look at how beefy that is.
That's 1/4-inch steel.
Yeah, solid steel, guys. Solid steel. We're not going to rust. We're not going to tarnish. We're not going to tear up. You can't tear this up.
Okay, the auger is even stainless steel. Solid. I mean, that, look at that, how big that thing is to my arm.
Drop that on your toe.
Don't do that. The cutting blade, everything is solid. And this, people,
look at this.
This is the auger horn, what I call it anyways. And it's cast steel, and it's solid. It is solid.
So we're going to go ahead and assemble the unit, and then we're going to put it through its paces, show you what it can do. All right, well, that was pretty simple. The instruction manual that comes with this unit, the 32 commercial electric meat grinder. Super clear, easy to understand. There's everything in here you need to keep it safe, keep it clean, and keep it going. So we've got it assembled with our first grinding disc. You guys, it is hunting season officially. So we've got, we've got several pounds of deer meat up in here that we're going to turn into presto bango bratwurst. Hang out with us. Let's get this party going. Are you excited?
Oh boy, I can't wait to turn this thing on and see how quiet it is, see how much noise it makes.
Nothing.
Oh, now we're going to play with our toys. So yeah, we've got about 8 pounds, somewhere around 8 pounds of meat in here. And we're going to see just how long it takes to do this 8 pounds.
This is just a little sampling, guys.
Little.
Let's not get hung up on the weight measurements. Let's see what this puppy can do.
Right. Ready? Right, here we go. Wow, look at those strands. That's beautiful. That's it.
That's impressive. That is high efficiency.
Wow.
This is definitely industrial grade, heavy duty. So again, the 32 commercial electric meat grinder, backed up by a 6-year warranty, guys.
Limited warranty, remember that.
Limited
But
warranty.
6 years
Mhm.
on these.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
So what do you think it took us to do all that meat?
Or maybe, I mean, to cut it up, put it in here, grind it. Maybe 10 minutes, if that.
Not even.
If that.
Runtime, I think we got 3 minutes out of it.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the way to go. Whether you are a hunter or just a gatherer, a homesteader, a farmer, a rancher, a home chef, bingo.
You know, one of the great things about something like this is you are processing your own meat. You know what is going into your meat.
Yep.
This is amazing. This machine is that 1.5 horsepower motor that is in here, and the all steel construction. This thing didn't bog down a bit. I didn't even have to tamp the meat in there. It just took everything and did what it's supposed to do. That's awesome.
All right. So when we come back, we're going to start making some brats, guys. Remember, the 32 commercial electric meat grinder. Look, there's going to be links down below. I'm going to make sure that you have easy access to those. I'm going to put them in the comments. I'm going to put them in the description of the video. And I'm even going to put them somewhere up here on the screen so that you can get yourself one of these. Holidays are not that far away, guys. No. And I don't know anybody who wouldn't appreciate this. Who, like I said, hunts, gathers, raises, whatever.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
This thing's amazing. Simply amazing.
Yeah, we're real pleased with it.
So let's see how it does for us doing brats.
Yeah. We're going to show you how to use the tube attachments to make sausage. Let's get it done. Who doesn't love brats on the grill? So we're going to show you just exactly how easy it is to do. And I could be fibbing. It's been a few years since he and I have made brats.
Don't fib, honey.
I know. We haven't done it in a while. So I'm on the receiving end. I can't mess this up. But if I do, it'll be okay. It'll still cook up okay. Let's get it going.
Okay. All the meat seasoned. Let's make some brats.
See if I can remember how to do this. Guys, it's so quiet. I mean, I'm right next to it and I've got my mic on. It is so quiet.
Now make sure you put tension against this so it fills the casing.
Okay.
And once it gets to its length.
Holy cow, that's coming fast. Can you stop it?
You gotta make them bun length. That's perfect.
That's a bun length. All right.
That's perfect.
And then I have to spin the opposite direction. Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let me feed it. This thing is amazing.
Get ready to stop it when I say. Okay, who? Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. It's fast.
That it is.
Go. No, go the other way. Other way. You go one way and then you go the opposite direction on the next one. Anyway.
Hey, ready?
Ready. Okay, ho. We're gonna mess around and get the hang of this again. Okay.
Coming at you.
Oh. Okay. I hope. Oh, Melville.
Sorry, my fingers slipped.
It's okay.
There we go.
How much is left up there? Okay.
Oh, there's
Okay.
probably a pound.
Hold on, Melville. Okay. Ooh. Guys, it's fast and it's a fraction of the cost that you buy in the grocery store, and this is so much better. I love deer season. Go ahead. Okay, Hope. Okay, Hope. Okay. Okay, Hope.
Pan is empty. We just have what's in the
Okay.
machine.
Stop. Ooh.
Ready?
Okay, yep. Stop.
It's awesome.
Okay. Whoops, stop, stop.
We're at the end of our. Hey,
We have loose sausage.
We have loose sausage.
Yeah.
How about pizza?
Ooh.
Noms.
If you'll grab me a baggie from the drawer over there. Let's go ahead and.
All right, I'll worry about cleaning the rest of that out, putting it in the baggie.
Do you want to just, because you could just, yeah. Sausage for wood-fired pizza coming right up. I can't believe how easy this is and how fast. Talk about being efficient in your kitchen.
You know, one of the problems that we had with our old grinder, just a little one, but one of the problems that we had was it would be inconsistent. There would be a lot of air that would get into the sausage and you know, blow out the casings. Not here. I mean, it's consistent feed, consistent everything.
Yeah.
And look at just look at that.
Guys, $50 in a grocery store. I'm just saying. So whether you're looking for a gift for yourself or for your favorite hunter or your favorite chef, the 32 commercial electric meat grinder is your way to go. And don't forget, it's backed up by a 6-year warranty, limited warranty. And we are sold. This is a keeper, and we're going to be using the goodness out of it. Wow. What do you think, babe? Okay, well, he's snuggling it, so I guess that's a good thing.
I love you.
Yep. And I'm chopped liver. I hope he doesn't feed me in the pan. Anyway, let's not go there. Guys, here you have it. We were excited to bring this to you, and now you see why. We are going to have us a mighty good time this hunting season.
Like, yeah.
Yeah. So like we always say, God bless you. Keep looking up. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Do that often. Keep your attitude of gratitude. Don't forget to hit the links. You're going to save yourself some money if you order using our links. Get it? Okay. The links are down in the description, and they're also in the video description. So make sure you click on the links for a special discount from us to you.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Happy cooking, happy hunting. We'll catch you on the flip.
See ya.